Hello grade 9, welcome to the computer science session. My name is Tahira Atif. This is unit 1, lesson number 1. The name of the topic is Introduction to Computer System. The lesson is about computer system and the learning objectives are: after this lesson you will be able to define computer system and you can demonstrate uses of computer system in home, schools and businesses. Before I will start explaining you about computer system, these are the keywords that you will learn during this lesson: input, output, processing and the storage. You can watch this video to understand what is a computer system.
Today, computers are all around us. From desktop computers to smartphones, they are changing the way that we live our lives. But have you ever asked yourself, what exactly is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. The computer sees data as ones and zeros, but it knows how to combine them into more complex things, such as a photograph, a movie, a website, a game, and much more. Computers use a combination of hardware and software. Hardware is any physical part of the computer, which includes all of the internal components and also the external parts like the monitor and the keyboard. Software is any set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do, such as a web browser, media player, or word processor. Now, when most people say computer, they're talking about a personal computer. This can be a desktop computer or a laptop computer, which has basically the same capabilities, but in a more portable package. Personal computers come in two main styles, PC and Mac. PCs are the most common type. There are many different companies that make them, and they usually come with the Microsoft Windows operating system. Macs, or Macintosh computers, are all made by one company, Apple, and they come with the Mac OS X operating system. Computers come in many other shapes and sizes. Mobile phones, tablets, game consoles, and even TVs have built-in computers, although they may not do everything a desktop or a laptop can. There's another type of computer that plays an important role in our lives: servers. A server serves information to other computers on a network. In fact, every time you use the internet, web servers deliver the web pages that you want to see to your computer. Servers are also used in many offices to store and share files. As you can see, there are many different types of computers out there, and they affect our lives in a variety of ways.
Okay, I hope you like the video. And what is a computer system? A computer system is a set of integrated devices that input, output, process, and store data and information. Computer systems are currently built around at least one digital processing device. So, in every computer system, there are 5 main hardware components. And you will find in every single computer system that the first one is the input, where you can send any kind of information or instruction to the computer using your keyboard or mouse. And the second part is the processing, where the computer processes your instructions. We call this box as CPU. And the third is mass storage devices. You can use a hard drive or CD-ROM or a USB as a storage device. And the last one are the output devices. You can use printer or monitor to display any kind of the output you wanted from the computer. All right, students, now you learned a lot about computer system. Let me check your knowledge here. Here is a link for a worksheet, which is an interactive worksheet. You will open that link and complete that worksheet and share it with your teacher on the LMS. So I hope you have finished this worksheet. Now I'm showing you the result of the worksheet, that how you are arranging the inputs and outputs and processing part of the CPU and the computer in this worksheet. So this is a very interesting and interactive one. I hope you have enjoyed working on this worksheet. Let me show you the complete results. You just need to drag and drop everything here. Okay, share your results on LMS with your teacher. Now I will discuss with you how we can use computers at home. We can use computers at home for distance learning. We can use it for the chatting and using social media at home. We can use to find any kind of information. We can use computer for different kind of entertainment. We can use computers at home to work, because those people who are working at home, they also need computers. And you can, as a kid, you can also use computer for playing any kind of games. And for mothers especially, they can also use computer for home budgeting. So there are so many ways we can use computers at our home. So if you are a kid or you are an adult, in every case we need computers at our home, and there are so many benefits of using computers at home. Now let me talk about some uses of computer in businesses. We can use computers in businesses for research, for production and distribution, marketing, banking, team management, data storage, and for employee management. Okay, now I'm giving you the chance to think about some uses of computer in schools, and you will discuss your answers with your teacher on the LMS. Share it with your teacher, and your time starts now. You have 30 seconds to complete this activity. Think about it. All right, your time is up now. Now I will share you few ideas about use of computers in schools. You can use computers in schools to access any kind of information. You will use the internet for research, and you can use for interactive lessons. You can also use internet in schools for virtual classes, and you can use computers in schools to access any kind of resources for students and for teachers. Okay, again, now I would like you to perform this activity. It's very interesting and interactive one. Please go to this link and solve this quiz. This is quizzes.com website. You will perform an activity about the computer system, and don't forget to share your answers with your teacher on the LMS. Okay, now I will explain you how will you do that. You can copy this link from here in your Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, and you will just need to paste that link there, and this website will be open for you. Now here you will find the button for playing a quiz. Just play the quiz and the quiz will be started, and you will be able to select the answer, and after you finish that, your score will be presented to you, that you will be able to see your final score at the end of completing the score. I hope you will enjoy that. Now let me remind you something important, that after completing all the activities you have done during this lesson, don't forget to share it on the LMS with your teacher. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I will see you in my next lesson, and I will teach you about computer hardwares in my next lesson. Till then, goodbye. Take care.